Alright, what's up, y'all? I wanted to bring you guys a Chainlink update because Chainlink is breaking out as we speak. So I just want to talk about some technical analysis, talk about what I see going on with Chainlink. Now, if you like the sound of that, I'd like to ask you if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Alright, guys, so Chainlink, it looks like it's breaking out bullishly right now. So let's delve into this. As we can see here, I believe it's either in an ascending triangle or a sideways moving wedge. If we look at it as a sideways moving wedge, we've broken out bullishly. So now the only real resistance left here is this top red line at $13.45-46 roughly. If we can hold that into support, if we can flip that into support, then our next resistance is the $13.60. But if we can flip 13.45, we're definitely gonna test $13.60. Once we're in, if indeed we do break up above this red line, I think it's almost a guaranteed that we would test 13.60, and I think it's highly probable that we would flip 13.16 from resistance to support and break above. Given that we already broke up bullishly from one pattern here, if we look at our RSI on the hourly, if we zoom in a bit more, it looks like even the RSI is having bullish divergence. Now it's only beginning here, but this is a good sign. It looks like we're having bullish divergence on the RSI, not just the RSI, but it looks like we had a crossover event on the MACD on the hourly. So guys, this is looking very, very bullish for Chainlink. We're also having increasing, well, I mean, not increasing buy volume, but we are getting buy volume here. So, I think it's because we're up against resistance here. We're not getting as much buy volume. Although for us to break out, we do want to see increasing buy volume, guys. So that's something to keep an eye out for. We could get rejected off resistance for sure. That's definitely a possibility. Although the fact that we broke out of this wedge looks bullish for me. There's also many ways you can draw this descending triangle. You can draw it something like that, something like that. We're basically up against resistance until $13.60, whatever way you cut it. So we really have to get past $13.60 for this to be considered a breakout. And if it were to, indeed to be a breakout, this could be something like a bull flag, where we pump up, sideways consolidation, then go for another leg up, which would bring us, I think, to around $15. So I'm keeping my eye out for the $13.60. See if we can flip that into support. If indeed we do, it's not financial advice, guys. I'm just talking about what I'm thinking. I think we're going to see $15 pretty soon here. So let's zoom out here, look at the macro picture. Yeah, see on these macro timelines, we could see here our exponential moving averages recently got flipped into support, which I think is a big deal. I think it's very telling when we flip our larger moving averages like the 100 and 200 into support on the larger time frames. This is the 4-hour, and we can see when we had a crossover here is when we started to pump, and the price action is well above, which is good to see. It's bullish. Now the MACD is very indecisive. Looks like we're having a bullish crossover on the MACD on the 4-hour. RSI on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, RSI, descending triangle. You can draw this different ways, but yeah, it appears to me as if we're breaking up bullishly due to the higher high. So there's that too. Now before we wrap this up, let's take a look at the daily here. Yeah, look at this, guys. On the daily, we flipped the 100 EMA into support. Very bullish, guys. Lots of bullish stuff. We're making higher highs on the RSI, higher lows, and our MACD is looking bullish, guys. Chainlink is looking very bullish. We peaked above this previous high here. All right, guys. So just keep in mind the $13.60. Once you flip that into support, then we're taking off here. So